Hi guys, another week, another Sunday tidy. I've been racking my brains to think about what to do this week, and I think this is the problem area to tackle. I find that my bandsaw collects a lot of debris underneath it, little offcuts, tiny bits that have been cut off stuff, pretty much just fall onto the floor behind it, and I kind of leave it there. So I think I'm going to have a try at making some kind of container that will slide underneath here, and maybe try to arrange like a funnel or a chute or something so the offcuts will slide down into the box. Seems like an idea. Let's give it a go. So 30 by, let's see, 27 or so, and then something here. Okay. I have this plastic tub that happens to fit kind of nicely underneath. So what I'm thinking is some kind of slope like this, so that when something gets pushed off the back, it does that. What I'm thinking is a cross piece mounted to the bandsaw like that, and then a slope piece attached comme ça. That might work. I need a block against which to mount the slope. So I'm just going to screw that onto here. I'll screw it in from this side. Lovely. That gives the surface for that slope to mount against. I'm going to need something up this side as well that I can probably screw through onto the bandsaw mass. Let me just find a block to put on there. This'll do. This was a piece of door frame at one point. Do I want to do it that way? I might want to do it that way. Yes. So that will mount onto the bandsaw, and that will mount the slope. Okay, 2 holes to drill the metal. went surprisingly well for an idea I had about 20 minutes ago. We'll see how I get on with it. I'm sure I can make improvements if I find things don't always fall down the channel, but for the moment I'm fairly positive that that will help. If you have better ways of dealing with the stuff that falls off the back of your bandsaw, little offcuts and such, let me know in the comments. Or if you have any other interesting ways that you help to keep your workshop tidy, please let me know because I'm looking for additional ideas. Thanks a lot, see you next time.